Happy day, children. May you have a day filled with peace. Have a blessed Friday. We all know that peace is a stress free state of security and calmness where there is no fight, war. Is it clear? At present, we need is a peace. We need a peace. Okay, now look at this picture. What is this? This is carom board. It's a indoor game. Do you like playing carom, children? Yes. Now, in this already we have seen two sections in hobbies turned into a successful career. The name of the girl is Ilavaragi. She is a world champ, carom champ. She achieved her dream amidst of all odds. She comes from a poor family and his father Irudiraji was a district level champion in carom. His dream of achieving success is shattered, so he encouraged his daughter to take part in carom and she achieved in that. In this lesson, that is in this section, we are going to learn about Ilavaragi. As I said, she achieved her dream amidst of all odds. So, Irudayaraj, he just thought that he determined to achieve his dream through his daughter. So, he began coaching her, his father itself, and carried her to the local clubs frequently. She won the match against her father, and that gave her the confidence in achieving success. Ilavaragi's first match win was against her father, who was his coach. Later, she won the Asia Cup, SARC Cup, and the World Championship. She lived with her family in a small one-room apartment in Vyasarpadi, Chennai. As I said earlier, she comes from a poor family. This was not enough to accommodate her family and to even to preserve her trophies. We all know that trophies and all we used to keep in the living room. That is all. So in order to exhibit our talent. But here she did not have enough space to preserve her trophies. She has been playing for the state for almost 14 years yet. She found it difficult to finance her trips for the matches because as she want to take part in the match means she needs some money to financially, she needs some support, but still she struggles. Ilavaragi is a member of the Thiruvallur District Carom Association. She also represented India at the Carom World Championships. She won the 2008 Indian National Carom Championship and became a world champion in the women's singles after beating P. Nirmala in the finals with 25-11 victory. Thus, her passion for carom took her to the level of world champion. Not only in this lesson, we have seen in both the three parts how their hobby becomes a career. Accommodates, glossary, sufficient space for trophies, a decorative cup given as a token of victory. You know it well. Shattered, break or destroyed. Fill in the blanks. Mani's grandfather noticed it and helped him by reading bedtime stories. Ajay mastered the techniques of preparing color and brushes. Ilavaragi won her first match against her father. Writing is a unique hobby. Uncommon. Synonyms. Ajay started to paint happily, joyfully. Miniature painting depict Indian culture portrait. Then antonyms. Ajay suffered, endured. Master, second one mastered, unskilled. One lost. Then the question answers are given. I have just attached a PDF. In that you just write the small short answers alone. And the next one we should see in the next class. Then singular and plural. You know it very well. Singular and plural. One means it comes under singular. More than one, it comes under plural. Some noun become plural when we change the vowels. You see here, man, men, food, feed, tooth, teeth. When we change the vowels, US changes into I. You see the examples: cactus, cacti, fungus, fungi. Then IS is changed into ES. Osis, osis, crisis, crisis. Then bacterium, bacteria. That is UM into A. Bacteria, bacteria. Passerby, passers by. You see, you add IS to the first word in the hyphenated word. That is the before the hyphenated word starts. There you have to ask sister-in-law, sisters-in-law, brother-in-law, brothers-in-law. Then singular, plural. Some nouns have same plural form, both singular and plural. Furniture, furniture. Luggage, luggage. Air, air. Then shall we go for the exercise? You have to write the plural form. Food, food. Radius, US means you have to add I. Ready. Governor, general, governors, general. Syllabus, syllabi. Datum, data. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Thesis, thesis. Forum, fora. Cattle, cattle. Genius, geniuses, gene. Is it clear, children? So, here you just have a glance at the singular plural. You know it very well, but anyway, you just have a glance and complete the exercises. Then we shall go for compound words. Compound words are nothing but two or more words are put together to form a new word. Two words put together. For example, matchbox, matchbox. Is it clear? School boy, both together. Snow and fall, snowfall. It may be a noun plus noun or a gerund plus noun or noun plus verb. It may be of any format. You see here, for example, noun plus noun. Headmaster, headmaster. Compound word is headmaster. Keyboard, both are nouns, keyboard. Cell phone, cell phone. Then gerund plus noun, dining hall, dining hall. Here dining, ing means you know it very well, gerund. It's all is noun, so dining hall. Washing machine, washing machine. Ing means you know it, gerund. Then noun plus verb. Compound words are formed by using noun plus verb. Snowfall. Fall means here you know it's a verb, action word. So snowfall. Car plus park, car park. Book plus mark, bookmark. So compound words are words formed when two or more words are put together to form a new word with a new meaning. When it is separate, it gives different meaning. When it is joined together, it gives you another meaning. Then listening passage is given. It's in page number 226, children. You just have a glance at it. Here it is about hobbies. Gardening. It is a delightful pastime. And then about collecting stamps. Collecting stamps. Stamp collection is nothing but collecting stamps from envelopes that comes by mail. That is, it is known as, this hobby is known as fuality. Fuality. Is it clear, children? Collecting stamps is known as fuality. And then the hobby of collecting coins from different countries. It is called pneumatics. Pneumatics. And cooking is one of the oldest hobbies, you know it. Painting. Painting, it allows you to tap into the thoughts and desires and feelings in your head and translate them into some beautiful. Painting allows you to just trap your thoughts, desires and feelings in your head and translate them into some beautiful. Whatever you think, it comes to you. Then it relaxes your mind and helps focus better. And teaching is a fun and useful hobby. Teaching means it helps you. What we teach, if you teach to your younger ones, that is your brother and sister, younger brother, so that one helps us to understand what we have learned better. So some questions are given with related to this listening passage. First we shall see the compound words exercises and then we can go for the listening passage. This passage is about the gardening and then about stamp collection, which is known as fuality, and then the coin collection, which is known as numismatics, and then the painting, and then the cooking, and then teaching. Many hobbies are there. Gardening, many hobbies are there. So here they are just given about some hobbies, that is web browsing, help us to collect information. And let us go for the exercises, book exercises, compound words. It's in page number 44. So first you number it, children. I have just attached in the PDF so that you can mark and then you can write. Matchbox, airport, blood bank, popcorn, sky blue, haircut, bookmark, sewing machine. Is it clear? Yeah, just you can refer the PDF. Which can be placed after soft? Soft after means which comes after where? Software. Which can be placed before means before. Sun, light. Light means sun, light, before. Then which can be placed after safe? Safeguard. Then print after blue, blueprint. Which can be placed after water? Waterfall. Then what is fuality? I already said it is nothing but collecting stamp collection. Numismatics, it is collection of coins. And then do you know where the rarest and most beautiful shells are found? I have just marked everything in your book and the PDF has been attached, children. You can refer that. It is third one is the rarest and the most valuable shells are found in the Indo-Pacific, Caribbean and Mediterranean regions. And the fourth one, painting can help unleash your creative side. That is, as painting allows you to tap into the thoughts, desires, feelings in your head and translate them into something beautiful so that you can paint it, and it just relaxes your mind and helps focus better. And the last one is, what is your friend's hobby? How does it differs from yours? Discuss and write. You can just write your friend's hobby. What is his hobby? And then how does it differs from yours? What is your hobby and how does your friend's hobbies differs? You can attach a paper if you want. So the word for the day, consult. It is a verb, as a verb to ask someone for. If you're not well, you're going for a consultation for a doctor, that is done. Example, he consulted his acquaintance about his taxes. To look something to get information. After consulting a map, they decided to go north. Is it a consult means just getting information or getting advice from others. Thank you for watching, children. Refer the PDF and complete it and send task completed. As soon as you see in the group, you send task completed between 6 to 7 p.m. Complete your exercises. Now when then you complete, then only it will be easy for you. And classwork work, that is some 3 questions only are given and some book exercises I have attached. So complete it, children. Write neatly. Presentation is more important. Subscribe our school channel. Use your time properly. Take care of yourself. Don't go out unnecessarily. The climate changes, so drink hot water. Avoid ice creams. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Thank you, children. Take care.